Hey everyone, it's Danny. Welcome back to my channel and another December daily video. Today is working on day 12 and I have a picture of some Christmas shopping that my husband and I did this day, and we just stopped to have some lunch and I just took a photo of the bags sitting on the chair next to me. So I printed it out in black and white because we're in a restaurant, so we have those, down lights that are casting kind of weird shadows. So, and the colors were kind of all over the place, so I just printed it in black and white, and that is pretty much going to be all that I do on this page. So I just have some pattern paper down here, and I was thinking that I might actually borrow this pocket from here. This was only in here as a placeholder anyway. I didn't actually intend it for this day, but this might be a good chance for me to use it because it's just a picture of some shopping. So yeah, there's not a whole lot going on there. I printed it out 3x3, so, or just about, so it would fit pretty nicely in that pocket. Might see if I can find a tag. Just got this one sitting here, but that's a bit small, so I might see if I can find a tag to sit in there and maybe just have it sitting open with the tag inside. And oh, hang on, I've got something in here already. So that's perfect. Actually, I didn't even remember that I put this wish list in here, but I might cut this down to fit on the back of the tag. So if I put a tag in, this can go on the back and I can do my journaling. That's perfect actually, because that's Christmas gifts obviously. And yeah, that kind of looks like a library index card, which is probably why I put that in there in the first place. So I'm thinking I might just adhere this onto the pocket open, or onto the page open. Yeah, so let's jump into the fast forward. So first of all, I am going to go through and get my tag. So I ended up choosing this tag. I knew I had 2 copies of it, this Merry Christmas tag. One I am saving for another day, but I didn't realize that I had 2 copies because I got the 12x12 paper pad and then I got the 6x8. The 6x8 has the gold foiled version and the 12x12 just has this black and white version. So I thought this would be a nice opportunity to use this tag because I can cover up that Merry Christmas center part. It is obviously repeated in that other tag, so I'm not worried about covering it up, but I really do like that black and white leaf foliage pattern on the front. So I'm just going to take this snowflake pattern from the paper pad and stick it on the back. I just wanted another black and white pattern so that I didn't have a plain blank white tag on the back. So I've just stuck them back to back, and then I'm going to trim off the excess with my scissors. They complement each other really nicely. And then I will just stick my photo on one side and my wish list journaling spot on the other side. I'm just going through and trimming my photo down. I do have to trim a little bit more off just to get it to fit nicely onto the tag there. And I do end up putting a border on my photo, a little photo mat. So just trimming off a little bit extra off all the sides, and then I'll pull out this paper. I really just wanted a little pop of soft pink because that wish list, even though it looks kind of white, it's actually pale pink and the lines are a slightly darker pink. So I've kind of stuck it in a weird place. I don't know why I stuck it on the middle there. I think I was just trying to get the least amount of background stuff as possible. I wanted a mostly pale pink photo mat. Not that you can really tell now at this point, but oh well. That's a creative process, right? So I've just punched a hole in the top of my tag. This page is going to be super quick and super simple, guys. Just a really short, quick video. Just trimmed enough off that little journaling spot so that it fit nicely on the back. A little bit of double-sided tape. And then I'll just pop in my journaling. And I've already told you guys what this photo is all about. It's not a hugely memorable event, but I feel like that's kind of what December Daily is all about, recording those little tiny memories that you don't really remember over the years, but when you look back on them, you sort of, your memory gets triggered and you go, oh, I remember this day. So that's what it means to me anyway. That's why I enjoy doing this project. So I have popped on a couple of little puffy stickers. I do end up pulling that little deer one off because it does make it difficult to slide the tag inside the envelope. It kind of catches on the lip. Just add a little gold reinforcer, gold glitter reinforcer there to my tag, and I'll add a bit of red and white baker's twine There's no other red on this page, so I do end up bringing in something else to kind of help that. I thought about black and white, but I wanted to add a little bit of colour, and the only other colours I have are pink and white, which the background paper is pink and white, so I just wanted an extra pop of colour. I do like the red in the end, so just tied it in a little bow and trimmed off the ends. So there we go. I love how that looks just peeking out the top of the envelope there. So I did pull off that little reindeer. I left the gift at the top because it kind of stops it going too far into the pocket. I kind of like that. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that all down now. Now to add my number, I'm just going to use those same numbers I've been using for the rest of the project. And I've just decided to pop that little Rudolph right there above the like little closure on the envelope. And I'm just peeling all the chipboard off the back of these alphas stickers, just to cut down on the bulk a little bit. My album is definitely starting to bulk out quite a bit. So I'm just sticking those on with some tacky glue. Once I have stuck those down, I'm going to go through and make a couple of hole reinforcers out of one of the red pattern papers. I don't have a hole reinforcer punch, so I just use my normal hole punch to punch a hole, and then I go around the outside of that with a 1/2 inch circle punch. So I just line it up like that, and there you go. Hole reinforcer, easy. So that's how I'm going to bring in another pop of red to my page. I will just glue those on, and that will be this page done. Super simple, super easy, but I really love the simplicity of it, and I love the colors and the little tag and everything. So thank you for joining me today, guys. Close-ups are coming up. I'll see you next time. Bye.